Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to put LED bulbs in the headlights of my Jeep that I just put in. So let's get started. And before we get started, I do want to give you guys a quick update about what's going on with the channel. So much noise, I don't even know what to do. So a quick update with the channel. I am changing the name. I was Najar Entertainment. We are changing it to Najar Offroad, okay? And because I am changing that, I do have some new shirts available on my website. Check this one out. That's with the American flag, you know, just to support our country. And also, I do have one with a Mexican flag, and that is because I am Mexican and I gotta support my heritage, you know? So Mexican, American. Anyways, check that out. The link will be down in the description. Let's continue with the LED bulbs. So these are the LED bulbs that I will be using. These are Hikari. I got these off of Amazon and they will be linked down below. All you will need to change this is just a crescent wrench. You don't need anything special. You can't use the 6mm to remove the bolts, but you don't need that. You can just do it with that. Super easy. Anyways, inside the box here, when you open it up, you get this paper here. It tells you about the headlights and whatnot. So yeah, you can read that or not. Here are the headlights. So what's interesting about these is they are adjustable. Let me show you. See, they can spin. You can take that off and then move it how you need to, and then put it back on, and there you go. So they are adjustable to so you can adjust the beam correctly, but I will show you how to do that in a second. Let me just open up the hood. Okay, so first up, the headlight, there's one bolt holding it, which is the top one right here. So just take that off and that's it. You just pull out the headlight. So the headlights are held in by a clip on these like ball joint type things, and then the screw on top. So you just pull out those. Sometimes these might be stuck if they haven't been taken off in a long time. So just be aware of that. You just have to pull a little bit harder. Now I am missing one of my clips here. And the other one is down there, but it still holds with the screw. So here is the headlight. So the one we're changing is the main bulb here. And the easiest way that I've found to take these off is obviously twist it off first, pull it out. Use that screw that you took off of the headlights and pry the little gray clips up, and then it should come out. And also don't pull from the wires, pull from the plastic. So here it is. So something that I do like about these bulbs right here is how compact they are, how small they are. Usually some of them, they have like fins coming off the end for cooling. These have a fan back here, and it's a pretty small fan, so that's a good thing in my opinion, because it'll fit in a lot of cars. So now on these bulbs, when you put it in, you have to twist it. You want to make sure that the light is straight up and down. So when I put it in, I want this to be straight up and down, not off to the side. You know, I want it straight up and down with the headlight. So the easiest way to tell if you have this in correctly or not, this is straight, so the only part that's spinning is this piece here. So since this is straight, it goes along straight with this line here. So this line should be straight once it's all twisted in. And you see mine are not straight. This piece right here should be straight. So what we have to do is remove it. We're gonna have to adjust the little plastic here. So what I do is just pull it off. And since we're gonna want it, it's gonna be about there. So we'll push it down there. Okay, it's locked in place now. Let's go ahead and put it in, twist it, and you see, now it is up and down, so that's straight. These LED lights, they are sensitive to positive and negative. So let me show you actually outside of the camera. So you need to put it in the right way, and you can put it in both ways. So it has a clip on both sides. Just depends on your application. So look at that, it didn't turn on. But if I put it in the other way, it turns on. Just be aware of that. You might have it in backwards, okay? So I will go ahead and connect this one here. Let's see if it turns on. Nope. Turn it around. And there we go. So that's it. I can feel the fan turning, so that's a good thing. And yeah, let's go ahead and put this back in. Okay, so there it is, back in its place. What I love about these is that the projector is actually white now instead of all yellow like this one. See the difference? And in here I do have switchbacks, so that's why that's white and not yellow. So let's go ahead and change this side now. And if they are on like this, be careful because it might be hot. Also, if you do need to adjust the headlights, now is the time to do it with this screw right here. So be aware of that. You do have to be aware of the type of bulb you have. These are a 9006 bulb, so be aware of that when you do buy these. I believe the stock are also 9006, but I'll show you some other lights right now, and I'll show you what size they are, just in case you have those headlights. But let me just finish this up. Okay, so there it is for the bulbs. They're all good to go. White light across the, it might look yellow because of the camera settings, but they are white. There we go. So we are done here. Now let me show you those other headlights so you can see what I'm talking about, how it might be different. So if you do have these headlights here, they require a different bulb. These are H1 bulbs. Let me show you back here. So the difference is, you see these have a clip. These are H1. So just be aware that these lights have a different bulb, and you'll have to get a different one for your application on these headlights right here with the halo. Now on the stock headlights, the ones that came off my Jeep, these, they take that same bulb that I just used, the 9006, I believe that's what they use, or maybe 9005. They're pretty similar headlights, so just be aware that might be different. Just check what you have and then buy off of what you have. Okay, so here are the regular halogen lights, and completely off. That's with the lights completely off, with the lights on. And I think I need to adjust them more down. I feel like they're too high, but yeah, these are actually pretty bright. In person, it's different than it is on my iPhone, so. But yeah, it looks great, and I love how the light is white. It's not all yellow. So yeah, and there it is. That's what it looks like driving. My favorite part is how they are white up here. So everything's white. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helped you guys out on the bulbs and how to install them. The Hikari LED bulbs will be linked down below in the description. These will work if you have these headlights. These bulbs won't work if you have those headlights with the halos. Those are a different bulb. Those are H1, so just be aware of that. I'll have those linked down in the description as well, and I'll mark it H1. And the ones for these headlights will be the 9006, just so you guys are aware. Be sure to check out those new shirts that I put up, and yeah, thank you. Anyways, if you liked the video, please give me a like and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and also, see you guys on the next video. Peace.